Looking for the best camcorders to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Nikon Z9 stands out as a groundbreaking camera, particularly for videographers demanding the highest quality. With its remarkable 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, it excels in both photo and video capabilities, supporting 8K video recording at an impressive 60 frames per second, making it one of the first PRO cameras to achieve this feat. The absence of a mechanical shutter marks a significant innovation, allowing for near-silent shooting and unparalleled performance. The Z9 boasts a maximum continuous shooting rate of 20 frames per second for raw images and an astonishing 30 FPS for JPEGs, enabling fast action capture with remarkable clarity. Its 3.2 inches tilting touchscreen and 36990K electronic viewfinder, enhanced usability providing versatile shooting angles and easy navigation with 493 autofocus points and advanced IAF tracking. The Z9 ensures precise focus, crucial for dynamic video projects. The camera also excels in video features, offering 4K recording at 120 frames per second and lengthy recording times of up to 125 minutes, ideal for extended shoots. Upcoming firmware updates promise to enhance functionality further, solidifying the Z9 as a top choice for professional videographers who prioritize performance and innovation in their craft. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix GH7 is a remarkable advancement in the Micro 4 3's lineup. Designed with videographers in mind, this camera is a game-changer, showcasing Panasonic's innovative phase detection autofocus, which enhances focus speed and accuracy, addressing a notable shortcoming in its predecessor the G8H6, with an impressive video-first design. The GH7 incorporates features tailored for extended shooting sessions. Its built-in fan and heat vents prevent overheating, allowing for longer recordings without interruption. The camera's versatility shines through its tilting and articulating screen, which remains unobtrusive even with external peripherals connected. Equipped with a full-size HDMI port, a CF Express card slot and the ability to connect external SSDs, the GH7 caters to the needs of serious filmmakers. It excels in internal recording capabilities, offering open-gate 5.8K recording, 4K at up to 120 frames per second with no crop and internal raw video recording. While it may not match the dynamic range of full-frame alternatives like the Lumix S5 Mark II, the GH7 exceptional video features solidify its status as one of the top consumer cameras for filming making in its class, making it an essential tool for video creators. The Number 3. Fujifilm X H2S stands out as a premier hybrid camera, seamlessly blending high-speed performance with exceptional video quality, making it ideal for videographers. At its core is a 26-megapixel stacked sensor that minimizes rolling shutter effects, ensuring crisp, clear images even when capturing fast-moving subjects. This camera excels in video capabilities, offering 6.2K open-gate recording and 4K at an impressive 60 frames per second without cropping. For those seeking creative slow-motion effects, it captures 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, providing flexibility for dynamic scenes. Designed with videographers in mind, the X H2S features essential inputs including a full-sized HDMI port, facilitating easy connections to external recorders and displays. It supports raw video output to compatible devices, enhancing post-production capabilities. Although it does not record internal raw video, the internal codec options are robust, supporting Apple ProRes formats that enable filmmakers to achieve higher quality video with reduced compression. Overall, the Fujifilm X H2S is a powerful tool for content creators, combining advanced technology with user-friendly features, ensuring that capturing stunning visuals is both efficient and enjoyable. The Number 4. Sony ZV-1 stands Out as an exceptional choice for vlogging enthusiasts, blending compact design with advanced video capabilities, this mirrorless camera features a full-frame 12.1 megapixel sensor that excels in delivering stunning 4K footage at up to 60 frames per second, ensuring high-quality recordings in a variety of lighting conditions. Weighing in as the lightest Sony model equipped with in-body image stabilization, it offers remarkable stability for solo videographers, enhancing the ease of capturing smooth, professional-grade content. The camera boasts a 3 inches vari-angle touchscreen monitor allowing for flexible shooting angles, though it can be challenging to view in bright outdoor settings. While this V1 is limited to a single memory card slot and lacks cooling vents, its strengths far outweigh these drawbacks. The S-Cineton color profile provides vibrant true-to-life colors right out of the box, minimizing the need for extensive post-editing. Moreover, its advanced AI features ensure reliable autofocus and smooth tracking, making it feel as if a dedicated camera operator is behind the lens. The ZV-1 is designed for intermediate users seeking to elevate their vlogging experience, making it a top contender in the realm of video recording.